Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please subscribe and tap that bell for more videos. Build your life, do it yourself. Hey everyone, so this haul today is from Kroger. This is for a family of 4. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I got was some chili powder for some chili. I got a pack of tri-colored bell peppers. I got 2 packs of these American cheese slices. My kids eat so many of those. Got a couple of these Carb Master vanilla yogurts. Got a package of fresh strawberries. It's 1 pound. It looks so good. I got this Rice Sides creamy chicken rice. I love those. They're $1. I got the La Banderita low carb wraps, like always. Got the Simple Truth natural raised cage-free chicken breast tenders. Those are my favorite chickens to get from Kroger. Hillshire Farm oven roasted turkey breast slices. It's no artificial preservatives, no artificial flavors. I got a couple bags of the mild cheddar shredded cheese. I got this pack of P.F. Chang's chicken fried rice. It's frozen fried rice. I'm going to see if my kids will eat it. I got green onions. I think these are poblano peppers for chili. Got some frozen Kroger brand cinnamon French toast sticks. Those are pretty good, and they're only $2 for a box. I finally found my Breyers Carb Smart almond bars. They're so good. Sweet kale chopped kit, my salad kit with poppy seed dressing. I got some frozen chocolate chip waffles. Okay, so now I'm back with some more food. I got some Sunbeam whole grain white bread. Got some Private Selection bacon. It's 12 ounces. This is the fully cooked traditional bacon. Super convenient. I got the sweet Italian sausage. I got this hot sausage pork roll. Got a couple cans of the diced tomatoes with green chilies. I got this 3-pound pack of ground beef. It was on sale for about $10. I got a bag of white onions. I got the kids some of these cheese microwave pizzas. I got some Dial antibacterial hand soap. I got 2 of those. We still have a limit of 2 soaps when we go to the store. 1% chocolate milk. Unsweetened tea, a gallon. I got some garlic Texas toast. I got sandwich bags. Some gallon storage bags. I got these cheese peanut butter crackers. The crackers are cheese and it's got peanut butter in the middle. I got a box of popcorn. I got the kids the Go-Go Squeeze yogurts, the strawberry low-fat yogurt. They love those. Got the kids their squeezy applesauces, the strawberry and applesauce flavors. Got their Dino chicken nuggets, the Yummy brand. 100% all natural, no antibiotics, no artificial ingredients. They love these things. Got 2% milk, a gallon of that. I think that's everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.